Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have a Bow Bunny paper haul. Well, paper embellishments and all that kind of stuff, and I just wanted to share with you. So, yeah, okay, let me show you. See, it's really me. So I bought these two different kits from HSN, and the shipping and handling was $3.50, and each kit was $14 for me. But also, oop, let me fix my control because it's bouncing. Take autofocus off. There we go. But for me, it was $14, but I just looked and I think the prices now are $16.95. It went up a bit, but for the price, I still think it was good enough that that's why I'm sharing. So the first kit was um, 48 pieces of paper. I think we get two of each, and I'll show you. And we get stickers and letters and embellishments and a stamp. So 5 items for my price was $14. When I buy this and when they really go on sale is HSN once a month has a craft day for 24 hours. Sometimes it's $5 shipping for everything you buy, and sometime, and then this time it was $3.50 for each item you bought. So okay, so let's look at it. So this is Bow Bunny, and if you can't shop at HSN because you're out of the United States, uh, I would go to bowbunny.com and find the items. So look at these stamps. I fell in love with this. It has scissors. Let me see if I need to take it out for you. But it has scissors and the key and the clock, and I just really liked it. The actual kit is called Family Heirlooms. So in that, the 3D embellishments are pretty too, isn't it? That's nice. And then the letters, they look like numbers. Well, they match the paper, so we'll see what that looks like more. But that's always nice to have uh, chipboard embellishment, letters and numbers and stuff. That's always nice to have. It's thick. And then the stickers are very pretty. And if you're not going to make a family heirloom, family tree type of album or whatever project, just leave like 2 or 3 papers out, and then it becomes just very traditional or Victorian. So let's look at the paper. Let's see which would be better. I'm going to do it sideways so we can see. It's only, well, we can do it this way. It's only on one side. The paper is not heavy cardstock, but good enough quality that you could do any kind of project with it. So this is a tree, and it says our family tree right here. And then has roses, which is very pretty. And then the mannequins. And then this looks like when you're sewing a pattern. And then here's the family tree and date of birth, and then polka dots, and then beautiful scissors. So this could really work if you're not doing a family tree, like a sew album or a craft album where you're taking pictures of family members that have taken making albums or making crafts. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I like the paper and it was a good enough price. I see a lot of different things I can do with it. You can make cards out of this actually too. And for the price, for $14 on all this paper, you can make a lot of pretty cards for men. See, this matches, this goes back to matching what was on here. But you could do a lot of men cards too, because it's kind of hard sometimes. And embellishments or tags for junk journals. This would be a really nice junk journal. Cut these out and make tuck spots. But yeah, this could be a junk journal, a planner. Very manly on some pages. So have we seen the roses before? Maybe not. I don't know if we've come to the tree should be the first one. And in the cameras. I have two different projects or kits to show you. But yeah, this can go either way. There's a lot of paper designs in here. I mean, this is a lot of stuff. You could make a lot of different cards. You know, this could be the house of a card. So yeah, there we go. There is two of each. Yeah, and that's a lot of paper, a lot of product for that price. I thought it was such a good deal that I'm like, yeah, I'm going to share this. I don't share everything I buy, but that one was a good deal. And now let me show you the second one I got from, and it is called a card kit. It is Garden Grove Bow Bunny 40 cards and envelopes. I took the cards out so I can show you, and the embellishments that come with it. And the reason why I'm going to show you this and the cards that come with it is these two right here is made out of these cards. You just score and cut, and you can make your own little box or your own little treat bag, especially if you're coming up with a wedding and all. Put candy in it or whatever you want, and you actually make it out of this card by scoring. And the lady I follow, her name is Sam. She posts at midnight. She made these years ago, and I'll try to find her link, or I can always make this for you. It's quick and easy, because it's just, you know, one card makes one of these. And the good thing about this project is whatever size card you have, you can still follow the same directions, and it just becomes a little bigger or wider. So let's look at what cards we have in project and supplies. So here are the cards that come with this, and this price was the same price, and I think it did go up $2, but you get a lot of product. And when you go to Michael's and you find this kind of stuff, first you don't find all of the matching stuff that you can use, and then second, it costs a lot more. It's like $5 for each piece. $5, well, even more, $5, and it just adds up. So this was a good price. So there are stamps that match it, and then you could color it in to match whatever you want, and this you'll always have even after you use everything. Flat backs, the little different sizes, which are beautiful colors. Very Easter, very Eastery. Brads, these are all brads. Chipboard embellishment, this is very Eastery. You can make cards. This was to embellish each card. And then stickers, and you could always embellish these and not make the card. Let's see, they do show where they taken a card and then embellished it more. So I thought this was a cute collection, so I grabbed it. So hopefully you can go and find it and enjoy it. So thank you for following me, everybody. All my links are down below. If you live in Texas, I have a Texas group for Texas people, and Glue Gun Chronicles is my main group. That we have loving people in both groups, and my Pinterest, my Facebook blog. Oh, there's all kind of links down below. So follow me, hit that subscribe, hit that bell, so you know when I'm making a video, because I didn't even know I was making the video until right now. So there we go. Have a blessed day, everybody.